Hello children, welcome to our 8th class. Children, in the last class we have learned, I introduced you about components of a business studies. There we have seen what is the link of business along with the economic and how the economic activity will support or sustain the development of a business, right? And we also learned that the different types of economic activities such as profession, then business, as well as the employment, right? That I told you what is a business and what is a profession and what is a employment also, isn't it children? And even I told you the main aim was either they are doing a business or they are the professionalist or they are the employee. They are going to get the income in form of a salary or wages, okay? And even I am clear that I made you clear that who was going to get a salary and who was getting a wage, isn't it children? So hereafter when we are using the economic terms, you must be familiar okay? Who is the employee, who will get the salary, all about this you must be clear. Now let's move on to that. Evaluation of a growth of a commerce, how the growth of a commerce has been developed. So what is a commerce? So what is a commerce children? Commerce is nothing but trade. Have you heard the term trade and commerce? Vyavahara, right? In Kannada what we say? Vyavahara. So this is a trade or business which, see, when I am using a trade, the word a business will automatically has been joined, right? So commerce, it means that it is a business or it is a transaction of a business, that is called it as a commerce. So how did the commerce as evaluated or evolution, in the sense how it has been growth, the growth has been took place. So in recent in the previous in the sense during the time you take from the civilization or the before the time of a civilization, we have heard that they are doing the trade contact with the neighboring country, right? While referring to this one, which one, Mauryan dynasty, we have referred that there are many trade centers, right? Pataliputra, Ujjaini, these are the few of the trading center of during the time of a Mauryan dynasty. Takshashila, all these are the few of the main trading center. Like that only, during that time also we had familiar with this trade as well as the commerce. And you maybe remember Mesopotamian civilization is also resemble of a trade, means it shows the existence of a trade, okay children? Here when we are referring into a commerce, keep it in mind that we are not particularly referring any one or two country commerce. Here together as a whole we are referring a commerce, okay? So generally, as suppose if we say human body, children, when we refer a human body or the structure or the organs of a human body is same of our Indians as well as a foreigner, it is the same, okay? So treatment is also same, but method may be different. In the same way, a commerce means it is the same, but the method of adopting a commerce or while implementing the method of a commerce may be a differ, but a commerce is same. And what is the motto or what is the main aim of doing a commerce? That is nothing but earning income or gaining a profit, and where we are trying some way to avoid the losses, okay? So here we are when we are seeing evolution in the sense we can say some kind of a growth, kranti we can say in Kannada, okay? It has been done how it has developed from beginning stage to now it has reached to top stage, how it has grown or the growth of the commerce has been took place. So there we are referring as a first stage, there we are referring hunting and fishing is the first stage. When we are referring as a commerce, there we are referring hunting. Hunting and fishing. So I need not to say much on this, children, because see, I told you from the time of a civilization we are referring a commerce, or we are referring about the business. So when hunting and fishing came, you are clear with that what was the occupation of a people or how they are earning the money, right? So let's take that during the time of a civilization, or civilization in the sense, in the beginning of a civilization, children, people are not that much use of money, or we can say that they are not familiar with the money. They are only concentrated on how to satisfy the want or how to satisfy the hunger. Okay, first according to me, or you may see that they are concentrating on only two things which are there. One is hunger. Okay, hunger as well as the safety. Okay, second one is power. Or this also, power is also optional. We can, second one is only these two, hungry and safety. Hungry of why? Why the hungry? Hungry is mainly to sustain or to keep the existence of our life on earth. Are you getting, children? Because now also see, we may be developed a lot, or we may be well educated. We see mainly these two things which are there. One is hungry. Okay, we want to satisfy in the sense not all the delicious food. Hungry in the sense, first we will prefer what, rice, sambar, or anything which can fulfill our stomach. So we work mainly to live or to eat something. Okay, yes, and we are eating to live and living to eat. That was we can say. And safety. Why safety? Why? Because when we are decided to live, children, obviously we will try to save, or we will try to safeguard our life. So that is a safety. So during the time of a civilization, hunting and fish gathering is their main occupation. They don't know anything else. Why only these two? Because as I told, they are mainly concentrating on a feed in the sense eating to fulfill their stomach. Only the thing is that remaining whatever they have done, whatever they have done in the sense, either they may be constructed the hut, okay, to live safely, or they may be made a pit, right? You remember, I think, right? They used to make a pit inside the ground to live during the time of a winter, or to avoid themselves from the cold wind and all. Okay. So as a occupation or as a demand, their main work is that hunting and fish gathering. Whatever animal they are getting, they used to hunt. And they also noticed that not only on the earth, okay, even on the water body, there are the existence of a life. So they found for a eating. Okay, so we can say that they are concentrated only on the hunting as well as the fishing, and that was accepted as their occupation. Okay, so see, children, now we are earning. As I told, why we are earning? To get the income. Why that income is? Again, to what? To fulfill our need. Yes, the need, first preference or the first need comes to matter where we will eat. Okay, you just see and tell me that suppose if you get a money, first your concentrate will go on that money for the sake that let me eat what I like to eat. Okay, and second comes to your dress or anything which you like. Yes, do you agree? That is because where we are fond of so much of things of eating. Okay, and or else you leave other things when you are so much of a hunger, In a hunger, what will you do? Two things kept in front of you. One is very nice dress, costly dress. Another side, simple rice and curry. Which one you will prefer, children? Which one? First, you will prefer a food because you know, suppose if we are eating and what that energy sustain us, that will boost or that will give energy to body so that we can buy or we can work for more than that dress which is there in front of us, right? No, if you suppose if you are picking that material, okay, that is your wish, nobody will stop you. But the thing is that when your body doesn't support you to wear and walk or move to dress for having the dress, what is use of that dress? Right? Are you getting what I am telling? The thing is that our concentration is only on to how to sustain on the earth. To sustain on the earth, what we need a food. So they adopted as a hunting and fishing. See, civilization before civilization in the sense, little go behind the civilization, that is of a where the human being used to eat the raw flesh. Why? Because first he has realized that I am a human being and something is happening in the stomach. And what is that something? That something one day he has realized that is hunger. Right, children? How to satisfy that hunger? There he felt that I have to eat something to make my stomach quiet. Okay? Then all comes secondary. Either wearing a dress or making a home or whatever, or making ourselves look good, everything comes next. Main is what? Eat something and to live on the earth. Okay. So as a development of a commerce, the first stage we can say that is a hunting as well as a food fishing. Then the second one is pastoral stage. What do you mean by pastoral stage? What is a pastoral stage? See, pastoral stage says that, see, now in the first stage where you have seen hunting, food gathering and all, later on we realized or we observed that along with us, not only human being, along with us there are few other animals are there which can live on our earth and that can be used for other purpose. Okay, what was that? What was that? That is what a pet animal. Okay, like whatever the pet animal is there, that was used as a cattle rearing or a sheep, goat, or this were used as a domestic as well as a pet animal. So take a use of these animal for their further development, and that was used. And they observed that when we have to eat something to live on earth. Okay, even that animal has to be need to live on earth. And what was that? They observed that it was a grazing. So the animal used to eat something, the grass. So the grassland, they are shifted from the forest to, these human being has been shifted to forest to some grassland where they can feed the animal which support their living. So that was called as a pastoral age. Okay. Then the next one is agricultural age. Then the next one is agricultural age. Okay, then the third one is agricultural age. How the agricultural age? See, here we are going to eat whatever animal we used to see, hunting, eating and setting. Okay, we don't know what was there in nature and how to make use of that. Later on, slowly we have observed that the animal which is from which we are surrounded and how to make use of that animal. That become a pastoral age. Pastoral age in the sense where animal grazing is going on. So there we started to to use the things of an animal, either the skin of an animal to wear something, okay, to protect yourself from the cold, right? So the animal skin used to be used as a dress material, okay. Then later on the milk or other product of a animal can be used as a need of a food. That is the one thing in a pastoral age. Then what about agricultural stage? Agricultural stage made the people to realize that here when we are living on a earth, okay, the land which we are living, it is something to eat, right? Because they observe the plant which is growing on the earth. When the animal are making a grass as a food, then they realize that these land have some capacity to yield something or produce something, right? Because see, before the human being only, children, the few other things are very mysterious. What are these mysterious things? Either they may be observed the fruits from the trees, okay, and when these fruits are edible, then why can't we try something else as a part of that? The part of agricultural things or the agricultural workout has been begun up. Is it clear? Because they observed like animals, even the land which has a capacity to yield something, and so that we can yield all this, they started to grow the food item like rice, barley, wheat, such kind of item they started to grow on a earth, okay. Then see, I am telling how the commerce has been developed. See, here also you can see where the people have started to grow of a food or cultivate of a food, or they used to making a food while hunting and fish gathering. Whereas here also in a pastoral age, while they are doing the animal gazing, they used to get the material which is required, either the skin of animal or the milk, such product, okay. Then what about agricultural stage? Even in the agricultural stage, children, we have observed the collection of our agricultural goods. Variety, it may be a this one, what, food grain, as I told, rice, barley, wheat, that they have to grow and cultivate, and they use for a consumption also, okay. Remember that here in this 3 stage we learned that they are producing of a food items, okay. Then the next one is handicraft stage. What is this handicraft stage refer to? See, here in the 3 stage, okay, we have seen a collection of a food where they are used to collecting only the food item. Then the 4th one is, we can see, handicraft stage. What does it say? Handicraft stage, in the sense you take a pottery work, weaving, basket making, all this. So here you have to observe that people realized that other than eating, there are something else to do on a earth to support our living on a earth. Because here see, all are not blessed with everything, children, because we are not sure that all are equally having the same land to yield, and we are not sure that all are getting equal income. No. So what we have to do, we have to search what talent we have, and as per that talent we have to work on, children, right? So here people observed that, okay, people observed that there is other work also on the earth which we can do and we can develop in the society. What was that? See, here all cannot do the hunting. You may do or you may not be done, okay, but to live on earth in the first stage, they made that to live on earth even I should learn a hunting. Then here pastoral age, where the human being should have an animal to live on earth. Sorry, not only animal to live on earth, animal is supporting to live on earth. Either that animal may give you security or support to the life, but it is required. Then what about agricultural stage? Agricultural stage in the sense, if suppose I am not good in a hunting, I can use my skill or I can use my land for the sake of other, or for the sake of other things which I can cultivate. So the agriculture has been developed. Then handicraft stage in the sense, people realize that the hands which is given by the God can be used for other things also other than eating. We can do other work also. What was that? They used to make a pot, weaving, basket. These are the material which can support the other work. The pottery you take, pot is needed to cook the item. Okay, then the weaving, the sweater, all this wear, not only we are wearing the animal skin or either the cotton or the woolen which we are using for the weaving, that can be wear during the time of a winter. So they realized, people realized that on earth we are not blessed with any one or two things. We are blessed with many things, so that we have to identify that and we have to work on that for the betterment of a human life. Like that only the growth of a commerce has been developed in the economic. Is it clear, children? So today here I will stop. Remaining one is there, that is a barter system. Okay. What is a barter system? That I will continue in the next class. Till then what you have to do, children? Whatever is taught, that you have to read, because you have to understand until now what I have taught. So very small topic that I have explained. Then the next is the barter system that I explain in the next class. There your lesson will end. Okay, you read and you get touch with previous explanation along with today's, so that it will support the tomorrow's explanation, children. And I hope you will follow my instruction and you will read. Okay, children. I will meet you in the class. Till then, take care.